Hi there and hello. Welcome to school year 2021 here at Bayshore High School. My name is Judy Stevens, Mrs. Stevens, and I welcome you to English 3. This is going to be a great year. We've got lots to do. We've got some really cool stuff to read and write and talk about. I know we're on the e-platform right now. Hopefully we'll be in class sometime in the future. We're not really sure how it's all going to go, but we do know that we've gotten better at it than we did at the end of last year. So some things have changed, and I know most of you are aware of these changes. Well, before I do that, just real quick about me. I'm married. I have a couple boys. I have 2 dogs. I've been teaching about 12 years now, and I really love English, and I love reading, and I love helping you guys. So I'm here for you, no matter what. The e-learning platform, we have gotten better at it. We know that to achieve, you guys need to be present every day. So I know you've all gotten the new rules that you must check in every day. There are assignments for you every day that there is a school day. And those are the due dates as far as I know, unless I'm instructed otherwise. I believe the day I give it to you, if I say it's due that day, that's when you're supposed to do it. Attendance, again, it's key. I need you to be in class. You can't keep up with everything if you're not there. And let me go through and show you a little bit about Schoology. So there's your Schoology page. When you go on, you're going to see English 3, and you're going to see your Welcome tab. Obviously, if you're watching this message, you're in your Welcome message right now. If you go down through here, Class Expectations, most of these, if you click in here, have to do with in-class expectations. But online expectations are key also. I need you to be honest. You can't copy somebody else's work. You need to do your work on time. We need to respect each other all the time. Now, on here, I also have the e-learning handbook for Manatee County. I'm sure you've already been provided this. You can go down through and you can read. I highly recommend you go through and read everything. Here's the attendance policies. You have to be present for the 5 days. Students in e-learning, Manatee, and hybrid learning will check in daily using Focus. I know you've been given that information. It is key. And if you check in, I expect you to get the work done also. Okay, so you'll need to read through that and get lots of information there. It is also available right here in Spanish if you need it. Okay. Going back to the welcome folder, contact information. In there, you'll be able to find my email address. I will have a dedicated phone number for you. You can call me anytime and we will figure out whatever it is you need. I'll help you through it, okay? I prefer text messages, and then if we need to talk, I'll do that. I will also be present for your school time, for your classes, okay? So you can always go into our meetings and talk to me there. There's another copy of the e-learning handbook. Grading information. You will have 70% of everything you do. It's your work, your classwork, your homework, your sheets, quiz, anything that I give you, for the most part, is going to go into that heading. Tests, exams, and big projects, they're worth an extra 20%. And then 10% is being good in the classroom, whether it's on virtual school or in classroom. You have to participate, you have to be present, you have to be respectful, you can't be disruptive. All those things are important. Okay, and going back to this, that was, oh, here, there's a whole list of how-to tutorials. Okay, how to submit an assignment, how to make a video in Schoology, how to find your textbook in Schoology, although I'm going to show you that in a second. YouTube tutorial for using Turnitin. We're going to use Turnitin whenever you write a paper. Okay, and that's pretty much there. Now, I do want to show you when you're in your courses, which is where you're going to find your course eventually, and everything will be in there. On this left side, there's a lot of information there. The members, if you click on that, you'll see who's in your class. Conferences, that's where we'll have school. I will be in there on a daily basis. And I'll set up your class in there. And this down here, my HRW, Holt, okay, that is your textbook. That's your collections textbook, right? That's what it looks like, collections. And so that's where you need to go for that. Did I go into it? Oh, yep. It'll come up. You have to hit Launch App. When it pulls up, if you have to sign into My SDMC, it'll happen that way. I don't know why it's pulling up that way. Let me try it again. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. There we go. You're going to go right into the textbook. And the fun thing is I will tell you a page and you'll go to it. The only thing you'll have to remember to do is change the grade. Unless it comes up automatically for your grade, that's fine too. And you'll go to your student ebook and it's all on here. Okay, so you'll be able to put in a page number, find your assignments, read whatever it is that you need to, and we'll work together on that. So that's just a quick overview of everything that we need to know. We're going to have a good year. We're going to get through it no matter what. I'm here to help you. Feel free. Do not forget you can text me, even if it's in the evening. If your parents need to text me, that's fine, or email me. Phone calls, I'm available all day unless I'm in the middle of talking with a class, obviously. I'll keep you updated when you can call me, but you can always text, okay? So, glad you're here. Welcome to the school year, and have a great day. Have a great week.